Okay, if you're like me, you may have bought a few of these novelty lights, I'll call them here, that are controlled by little individual IR remotes. And they're neat, but they're no fun when you need to use them and you need to find the remote for them. And you could use them for other things, like you might have an IR controlled fan or a fireplace. So what I want to show you what you can do is with Apple Home, I'm using the HomePod Mini here, and an IR blaster from SwitchBot. And I've trained it to recognize these remotes. And since it supports Matter, it's easy to connect it to Apple Home. And you could use your voice, or you could write automations. You could schedule time of day or on a motion sensor or whatever. And you don't have to use a HomePod Mini. You could use your iPhone to speak to it. You need the HomePod Mini or an Apple TV for automations. Okay, so let me show you a few of these, and the names are weird, I know. Hey Siri, turn on the moonlight. Okay, and this one's going through some rotating colors, but if you wanted to pick fixed ones, you have to have a on-off switch, matter switch in there for each button that you wanted to push. Let's try this other one. Hey Siri, turn on closet guidance light. Okay, and then the last one. Hey Siri, turn on the cube light. And again, you don't just have to have lights. You could use fans too, or any kind of thing that you can control with the remote. It's pretty easy to train these. You just point it out here and assign a button to it, then transfer it into Apple Home.